Hello there. What I have here is an empty template on an empty site. So we have just posts, just one, pages, no custom post types. We have installed ACF, no post types, no taxonomies, no fields. Let's do an experiment now. So what I'm doing here is asking Sense AI to create a custom post type, a taxonomy, fields assigned to that same post type, and then pull dummy data from online into those custom post types and taxonomies and fields. And when it's done, create a custom query to loop over them, and finally style it and present it as a post grid in the current template. AI is currently making a plan, asking for permission, asking for another permission. Builderius Sense thinks this is finished, but let's tell it to remove the white background. Let's see what it has done. I'm also not happy with the ratio of the images. Much better. So centered, using the proper width of the website. You can see it aligns here, but let's see if it's responsive. Let's see how it works if we change it to light mode. Go to CSS and go to all CSS. All the way down where the dark color scheme is working, I will just add a non-existing class to the root selector. And everything seems to be working correctly. Oh, and this little detail here. If we wanted, we could come here and go background and do something like this and fix it. If we take a look at the HTML structure, we will see it uses UL for the loop wrapper and LI for the items. It has a sub loop taking taxonomy terms and adding them here. If we quickly jump to dynamic data, we can see it's created a custom query for us. And let's see what's going on in the WordPress part. In dashboard, we can see we have a movies custom post type with genres terms. If we now go to ACF, let's see what we have here. So we have a group called movie details with all of these fields. So we have seen Builderius Sense control entire WordPress and the entire build workflow, from modeling your data using ACF Pro to importing dummy data. Then it created a custom query within Builderius, and finally it created the layout to ask it and hook it up to the dynamic data. This example shows us how Builderius can become your control room for the entire WordPress workflow. See you in the next experiment.